Today we're drawing a cool and sparkly whale, step by step. So grab your colors and let's get started.
Glitty Art English.
First, I draw the upper shape of the whale's body, curving smoothly from the head all the way to the tail. Next, I draw the bottom shape of the body, connecting it with the top. And then, I add the pectoral fins on both sides. I separate the top and bottom parts with a curvy line. I draw a round eye and a smile to bring it to life. Now, I add some vertical lines to the lower part of the body. On top of the whale's head, I draw a splash of water to show it jumping out of the ocean. Time to color! I start by coloring the eye glittery black. Then, I add glittery gray to the eye's lens and the lower part of the body. Finally, I color the rest of the body and tail glittery blue. While I do that, here's a fun fact. Did you know that blue whales are the largest animals on Earth? Some can grow over 100 feet long, even bigger than dinosaurs. Now our glitter whale is complete, colorful, sparkly, and full of ocean vibes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. Bye-bye!